Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this vlog, I'm going to show you how our garden looks like after rains. This is the rainy season and we are growing different types of plants, ranging from vegetables, fruit trees, tubers, herbs, and flowers. If it's your first time to watch my channel, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. This will help me to grow the channel so that I can eventually be monetized, because the ultimate aim of running a channel is to get monetized so that you can earn income. I'm near Kikuyu town in an estate called Kid Pharmaco, and we are in Kiambu County. We are near Nairobi County. Kiambu County is in Kenya. It is one of the 47 counties of Kenya. This portion of the garden is being prepared for new seedlings. The vegetables that were there, that is broccoli and kale, the famous sukuma, were uprooted because they had outlived their life cycle. And in practicing crop rotation that we cherish in our garden, we will plant different vegetables. You can see there has been a heavy rain, and so is well soaked. Along the perimeter wall, you can see that we are growing fruits, starting with tomato tree or tomarito, and we have a lot of fruits here. Now you can see the garden is surrounded by Duranta fence hedge. We have a palm tree at the end of one portion of the garden. Then somewhere far at the far end there, we have cedar tree in the center of the garden. This is loquat fruit tree, also along the hedge. Look at another tomato tree coming up very well. This is amaranth. This is rosemary herb next to this palm tree. Rosemary herb. Which is also medicinal. Along this small hedge, we have this thick palm which is coming up. This is another Dhika palm. And next to the Dhika palm, we have passion fruit plant. This is passion fruit plant. In that corner, we have a bamboo plant. These are for beauty of our compound. This is another tree coming up, and I'll find out what it's called and maybe give the name in a later video. This one is a fig tree coming up, but it will have to be trimmed because fig trees can grow to very huge tree, and it ends up damaging the structures around it. Now along this perimeter wall, you can see we are growing banana trees. After the tomarillo tree, we have this orange tree, which has started bearing fruits. This is pomegranate growing there. Pomegranate. This is avocado. This is a certain variety of passion growing there. And it is doing very well.